Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Nicole's half granny square. To work this, I had used my DK cake yarn with coloration as the name, and its color code is 4013. I have started a project and I will be continuing this with this yarn. To demonstrate, I shall be using my solid color yarn. So to begin, chain 6 and form a ring. Slip stitch and join to form a ring, and then you can make a standing twisted DC into the ring. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, all in the ring. Chain 1 and a double crochet. For turning, turn and make a standing double crochet in the very first double crochet. Three double crochets in chain 1 space. Chain 1, and under the chain 1 space between these 3 DCs shells, 3 DC, chain 1, 3 DC. This is row 2. Chain 1, 3 DCs under this chain 1 space between the last 2 DCs. Chain 1. This chain 1 I am giving for the ease, so that my edge is straight here, and place a DC on the third chain of the turning chain or the on top of the DC here. So this completes round 2. For round 3, either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a standing DC as I always do. Chain 1, 3 DC in chain 1 space. Here the pattern begins. Chain 2, DC, chain 2, DC V stitch here under this chain 1 space. Chain 2, we have reached the center chain 1 space. Here we always place 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles for this particular granny half square. 3 doubles, chain 1, three doubles. Now chain 2, a V stitch under this chain 1 space, a double, chain 2, a double. chain 2, 3 DC under the chain 1 space, chain 1 and a DC on the last stitch here. So picking up this is little dicey. So this completes row 3. For the next row, either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a double, chain 1, 3 doubles here in the chain 1 space, chain 3, you're directly going into the chain 2 space of the V stitch, make a V stitch there, chain 2, V stitch here, again chain 3, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles under the middle chain 1 space. Chain 3, chain 3 and 3 doubles here under the last chain 1 space, chain 1 and place a DC on this particular DC here. So this is how Nicole's half granny square is made, and you can have your own patterns here, like you can have the bees made in these 2 stitches for the next round and continue, and if you want you can increase it. Okay, that is what I have done here in my pattern. So I placed my V stitches in the 3 chain spaces, and this is how I continued. So V should come on the V stitches. That is the only rule for this particular half granny square. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it and you will give it a try, and please do get back to me with the feedback. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share them too, so that it reaches the maximum number of people in and around the world. I thank you once again for viewing this video. Have a great day friends. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.